Hala, tataya ng loto.
Sobrang nipis. Balingkinitan. Sobrang sarap. Malinamnam.
And then, when do we know the result?
8 or 8:30 p.m.
8:30 mamaya.
Every Saturday.
Excited na.
Saan i-announce?
Saan nila ipopost yun?
Cancel na yung lakad natin. Abangan natin.
Gusto ko yung restory sana. Where do we claim? So I would know where to go tomorrow.
Don't worry.
How much is the maximum prize?
Usually they get like 70 to 80 million.
70 to 80 million pesos. Excited na ako talaga mag-announce. Nisip ko na yung thumbnail ko. Hulaan niyo nasan ako ngayon. I'm not gonna give you a clue. All I can say is Annyeonghaseyo! I am in Korea. I am back. Last time I'm here was last year. Ay, ganitong time din ata. Hindi ko alam ba't all the time na nandito ako sa Korea, lahat February. Kung kailan hindi peak season. But I love the cold weather. Wala nang snow ngayon. Nagme-melt na sila. Ganyan. They sent me here for work. And kasama ko si Marvin ngayon. Tapos sinundo kami ni Giyong. Oh my God! Feels so surreal because this time last year, I was still not yet a father. And now, I'm already a father. And sobrang na-miss ko ang traveling. I love this. But every single moment, I just think about my son. So, feels weird, you know? Ang saya kahit saan dala ko to. Boom. Diyan na yung mga demonyo. Ay!
Ganda naman dashcam mo.
Hindi yan dashcam. Camera ko yan.
Camera ba yan?
Para yan.
Thank you, Giyong, for picking us up. Plastic.
Sorry. Sorry, it's not for you. It's Marvin only.
Marvin. Sorry. I'm gonna go down here.
Sabi ka na talaga, pinipick up ka na ngayon.
Feel mo, ha?
At ang kotse ni Giyong dito. Mercedes-Benz!
Walang Z.
Hindi ako, parents.
Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes-Benz. Parents.
Parents car.
Nagnap kami kanina sa bahay niya.
Sabi natin, shut up daw. Ingay daw.
Ngayon, pupunta kami ng outlet. Because apparently, I am so underdressed. Sobrang lamig kasi. So feeling ko sobrang konti nung suot ko.
Inappropriately dressed.
Fully dressed. Ano masasabi mo sa mga tao sa Philippines now that you're in Korea? Do you miss the Philippines?
Huh?
Busy yung tao. Navigate tayo.
경로를 탐색 중입니다.
Sir?
Why are you here in Korea? Because you're from here.
Yeah, I'm Korean.
He went back here to
Pinoy,
He went here to pursue K-pop tree.
I didn't know.
Talagang ika-copyright mo yung... Hindi niya na-gets. You really wanna copyright my vlog?
Yes, finally.
I love it every time I meet locals here because they get to bring us to fun places.
And more authentic experience.
Wala, uminput na siya.
Pwede ba ako sumali dyan? Kasi friend mo rin ako, nasa backseat lang ako, pero pwede naman.
Malayo lang ako, pero may gusto ko sabihin eh. Let's go!
Magkano yung camera?
Ay, hindi ko to binibenta.
약 100m 전방
This camera, I think 25.
No.
This is DJI. 30.
30 plus.
The creator combo package. Ito yung view namin. Annyeonghaseyo! Korean people! I am back!
Sobrang ingay si Ben. I cannot drive, huh?
Is this openable?
Yeah.
Wow, you have that?
My parents have that.
The Bluetooth device is
Oh, niyabangan tayo. I love the weather here. Parang feeling ko bagay yung skin ko dito sa Korea. Nakakaano siya, nakaka-glow. Do you feel that when you're in Korea? Your skin gets better?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Ano ako dito? Music video. Kailangan ko muna hanapin yung sarili ko. Ganun. Kaso nandun siya sa likod.
Bawal ko rin hanapin yung sarili ko.
O, di hanapin natin sarili natin parehas. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day! Saktong Valentine's po ang lipad namin.
Sino po bang magdadamayan? Buhay.
Hindi tayo lang. Ay, minsan okay lang naman mag-isa. Masaya din naman siya.
Alam mo, pag-iisa dyan mo ma-realize na
nauutal ka.
ang dami mo palang kayang gawin.
Can you feel I'm in the Philippines? Like, I haven't heard Filipino like 2 months right now.
Ang tagal na daw niyan,
feel
hindi
weird.
nakarinig ng
I feel
Pinoy.
like I'm here at home.
We're bringing the Philippine experience
Yeah.
here. Sa atin pa talaga nang galing ng mga hindi mo kang Pinoy. Akala mo talaga.
Oh, is that the straightforward guy?
The model?
The model? On the Facebook? On the Facebook?
No English. No English.
No English.
I'm taxi driver.
Hindi, galing naman sa kanya. Sa kanya naman galing yun.
May ano siya, may pass.
May pass siya.
Kasi if I don't say I'm taxi driver, they will not gonna pay me. I need bayad.
Okay, I will give you bayad.
50 Korean won.
51? So expensive. 50,000? 2,000 yun, di ba? 2,000 pesos. Because every 100,000 is 4,000 pesos.
50 Korean won.
50. So, mura lang pala dito. Here's a glimpse. Lipad ko yung camera. So cold. Fit check. Same height.
Same height. Same
Gento imida. Oh, magbi-b-roll ako. Do a cinematic walk. Cinematic na yan, parang sira naman eh. You don't have to slow down, you know. I can slow it. I can slow it down. I have an editor. 1, 2, 3. Magkakumanta, ako yung kakanta.
Ilang ikot pa?
Together. And then kiss. And then naging ibang movie. Oh, I can't wait for Alec to be able to go to playgrounds. I can't wait.
Yan for kids kasi
Wait,
laki oh.
I thought you wanna get coffee.
But it's okay. At least you can go now. I'll pay for you.
My guitar, less a town. Drew my heart a
Bakit ka magpapapicture dyan?
Yung business ko kasi andito.
Business mo yan.
I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine.
May ritual, oh.
It was not full body, sir.
Sorry. It's Valentine's Day.
Is it?
Just freshened up. Someone treated us. Not him.
From my TikTok money.
Wow. Thank you sa patinapay.
I'm happy driver.
Only eat all you can.
Sir is so generous.
Yes, thank you for being generous. Dapat yung salita natin very calm,
Yeah, because we're in the
classy. You know?
Because we're in the
Grabe yung effort para sa shot na yun. Samita. Feel ko talaga lagi sa Korea. Samita. Parang natural lang. Samita. Waka. Gio, can you help me ask if they have straw?
They have chopstick. Mampulutan. Ding dong.
Looks so good. This halibut. Yan lang siya kaliit. Sa bahay, isang buong boneless bangus. Nabibitin pa ako eh. The good thing about Korea is there are cafes everywhere. The bad thing is, I cannot drink coffee. pretend na lang. Order to ni Marvin. Actually, nagko-coffee naman ako. Iba lang to. May caffeine sobra. Anyway, nag-vlog ako kanina ng 5-minute clip. Tapos pagtingin ko sa camera ko, naka-slow-mo pala siya. So, lahat ng clip, walang sound. So, hindi ko na mauulit yung sinabi ko. Super hangover today. Sakit ng ulo ko. I am never tasting a drop of alcohol ever again. I hate alcohol. Alcohol is poison. It's not giving. Nakatawa kahapon, sabi ko kay Marvin, pag may cute subtle ka lang, turo mo sa akin. Sabi niya, uy, tingin ka sa 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Ba't may a.m.? Lazy day today. We're gonna go to Jiyong's house again kasi magpe-prepare ng food yung mom niya. Korean food. I'm so excited. Kakanood kayo ng Culinary Wars. Ang ganda kasi nun. I'm gonna judge your mom's cooking today. If it sucks, everybody will know it. So,
Okay,
Auntie.
recorded.
Auntie!
I-judge mo ang cooking ina.
Ano yan? Anong sasabihin ko? Hi, meet my friend, Bubu. Miss ko yung anak ko. Parang gusto ko siya bigyan ng ganong kalaki na teddy bear next time. Kaso sobrang dami ng stuffed toy sa bahay. Feeling ko ma-allergy na siya. Ako kasi allergic sa dust. Pero ang babies, apparently, parang 1 year pa ata magmamanifest yung mga allergy sa kanila. I'm not sure kung yun ba talaga yun. Ang bait ah. Hindi ka ganyan talaga. Squid Games yan. Sweet naman nila. Ayan sila, oh. Samida. Tell us about the food.
Kimchi. This is Korean pancake. We use oyster for this. And this is japchae, mulhue, cabbage, and some seafood.
Like salad.
Yeah, salaway.
Raw meat, UK. Ganyan siguro yung feeling kapag yung asawa mo, Korean. Yan ang meal mo, ganun. Ah. Sir, parang hindi yan pang bata.
Mag-slide ako pa.
Hindi kita anak. Sige, una ulo.
Galing ka mag-slide eh.
Ganyan yung mga kinakatakutan ng mga bata.
Ang mature.
Parang kikidnapin.
Ang saya kaya, try mo. Masaya siya.
Ayoko, napaka-immature. So nadumihan lang ako.
Hindi naman
para
nadumihan.
Sa content na to. Ang weird kasi ang saya talaga. Tapos yung mga tawa-tawang ganito sa music video.
Ang mature.
Ang lamig. Tawa ka din. Ay, nakakatakot naman.
It's hard to be parents, you know.
Galing ako dito eh. Kahit wala akong up dyan, oh.
Wala akong ginagawa pero hinihingal ako.
Wala kamay, oh.
Ako din eh.
Galing ako dito.
Eh. Ang saya-saya.
Tumalsik. Uy, baka tumalsik tayo.
Anong feedback natin? Okay naman yung quality ng swing?
Yeah. I think maganda talaga siya. Quality-wise and performance-wise.
Ilang stars?
It's really quality. Giving it 5 stars.
5 stars.
Out of 5, ha? That means perfect.
You guys want ice cream?
Ice cream?
Yeah, I want ice
Oh
cream.
wait, ice cream from the factory, so the price is very low. They have a lot of choice compared to a convenience store.
Okay. I thought we're getting ice cream.
Yeah, there's also.
Hala, tataya ng loto.
Bibili ako ng mansyon, tapos kotse.
So you have to pick 6 number from 1 to 45.
Pogi oh, grabe. Sobrang nipis. Balingkinitan, sobrang sarap. Malinamnam. Grabe, sobrang Latino. Random na lang talaga to.
Ayan na po sila guys. Nagtitake na po sila ng upkat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Vote wisely. And then, when do we know the result?
8 or 8:30 p.m.
8:30 mamaya.
every Saturday.
Excited na.
Saan i-announce?
Saan nila ipopost yun?
Cancel lang yung lakad natin. Abangan natin.
Gusto ko yung restory sana.
Pakipag ako pag nanalo ko ah.
Oo. I-mention naman nila, no? Kami ta.
Akin na baka mawala yung ticket ko nanalo.
Kaya nga eh.
Wait lang.
Magkasisihan pa tayo.
Baka dito.
Siya pala nagbayad.
Alam siya nagbayad pero amin yung ticket.
Pag nanalo, wala kang share doon ha. Babalik ko yung kung magkano lang yung binayad mo.
I don't speak Tagalog. I don't speak Tagalog. Yeah.
Ah, okay. If, I said if
I don't speak English. I don't speak English.
I don't speak English. No, what if we really win?
You really...
Alam mo, nagjo-joke tayo, pero what if, diba?
Who chooses this number?
That's mine.
Can we fold it?
You can fold this one. This one is for keeping if ever you got like first place or second place.
Where do we claim? So I would know where to go tomorrow.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll check together.
Okay. So I did not. How much is the maximum prize?
Usually they get like 70 to 80 million.
70 to 80 million pesos. Excited na ako talaga mag-announce. Iniisip ko na yung thumbnail ko. I won the lottery in Korea. Ice cream lang naman gusto ko, napaloto pa tayo. Okay lang naman mag-celebrate ng advance. No? Deserve ko naman. Kung mananalo ako, diba?
You can do it. You can do it.
I won the lottery. I won the lottery.
Hindi malamig.
Hindi malamig. For some reason, it's better to eat ice cream ng cold weather, you know?
That doesn't make sense.
Delicious.
Delicious. Ice cream.
Second floor. Milk. Washing machine. Wala na, buang na sa lamig. Ala, oh.
Grabe ang pagka...
Monyekas. Kenchana. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Kenchana. Ding 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 ding. Oops, gini mo sa ano yan. Mali.
Inuuto mo na lang ako.
Dalawang walang respeto sa elders. Wala kayong respeto sa akin.
Wala talaga.
Kenchana. Ding ding ding. Hiyashi. Eto na guys! We are going to be millionaires tonight.
First number 3.
Ay! Wala akong 3!
Second 9.
Meron akong 9.
Next number 27.
Oh my God! Talo agad ako.
Oh.
Come in. Parang walang restaurant naman dito.
Yeah, that's restaurant. There's a secret door.
With my Korean parents. 안녕하세요.
내가 팬 어머니예요.
Ay, luxury fried chicken restaurant. Kyochon?
Yes, Kyochon Pilbak.
Ang babait ng mga kasama ko bigla. Ang babait. Wala, prepared na prepared. Oh. Ang bait. Ang sarap talaga ng tteokbokki. Sobrang sarap. He's like waiting. He's like, influencers. This is my outfit. Oh. Tapos niloloko nila ako skydiving daw. Change oil. Sir, change oil? Ay, oh. Ay. So,
Lagi mo music ah.
so ano ako staff dito? Ito na yung concept ng shoot ko, guys. Ba yan? Ang mahal ng bili ko dito, ah. Pero ang ganda. This is spot on.
Yes.
Yes! Work it! Ay, sungit naman ng person na yon. Oh. Sir, parang hindi na pang edaran mo yan. If you're visiting Korea, hit them up. Physically. Physically! Gaganda ng mga photos nila. Every time I visit here, I always do a photo shoot.
You're the mechanic and I'm the driver.
Valet. Ikaw valet, ako mechanic. No, kanina yung mga kainan, yung fried chicken place kanina. That was so good. Sarap.
I also recommend yung mga where to go. So I'm like
package.
a tour guide.
Yeah. And actually, among all the mga photography services, super not overly priced, you know? It's for the experience, for connection.
200 plus photos.
Wow. Ah, talaga?
All edited.
Wow.
Sobrang Latina. Sobrang sikip. Sobrang sarap.
Hi! Long time no see. He is filming. Series? Series. Superstar. Series for the kids. For the kids? Yeah. Oh, hero. Yeah. He doesn't cry loud. Like that. You didn't even visit my son.
I really want to see Alex. You never invite me.
Oh. Let's just cut the part. Last full day here in Korea. I forgot to film everything. But once again, still eating tacos.
I'm eating some lomi. Ay, hindi ba lomi to?
Jajangmyeon.
Having some Ralph Lauren coffee right here.
Sparkling water. Katsu sandwich.
Fruits and egg sandwich. And my perfect face.
Sobrang Latina!
Never nagkasala.
Walang kapintasan.
Kagwapa ba, Orange?
Sobrang hina niya kumain. Kung anong gusto niyang itry, ako yung umuubos.
Kasi nga, mabilis ang mabusog.
Buti pa dito, no? Pag may pwesto ka na, iwan mo lang cellphone mo. Alam nila may tao, babalikan mo na lang. Sa Pilipinas, pag iniwan mo yung cellphone.
Wala na. Kaya naghahanap ako kanina, yung mga table. Ito naman taken na. Sabi, ay, may mga nakaiwan na bag, kape. Sa atin, payong lang yung kaya mong iiwan, diba? Para ma-reserve yung table, eh.
Kukunin pa nga.
Pati payong, hindi pinalagpas.
Come back to the young and pretty you. I'm back in Manila and parang wala akong masyado na vlog pala in Korea because I was not allowed to vlog any behind the scenes about dun sa work. But I had so much fun. Every time I'm in Korea, samgyeopsal every single day. Kaya ko. Pero after nun, pagdating ko dito sa bahay, sakit na nalamunan ko. Parang too much oily food, but worth it. Dahil ko kinain ng mga sweets, but worth it. Dahil ko kinain ng carbs, but worth it. It was a good trip. The moment I got home, I just bonded with Alec. Daily Naked Collagen. This is the Naked Gummy. Ito yung favorite ko ngayon kasi sobrang convenient. Meron akong mga konting binili from Korea. Toner pads. One for me, one for my mom. Another toner pad. Bumili rin ako mga face mask. Nilagay ko na sa ref. I got glasses from Gentle Monster. Since yung glasses na sinusuot ko every time na nagla-live ako. Nasira dahil naupuan ko siya. Ito yung glasses ko dati. I super love this, but I can't wear this anymore. So I got Gentle Monster. How is it? Good? The old one hits different. Both nice. Pero okay din pala yung gold na frame. Huwag nyo na sabihin kung okay hindi. Baka magsisip ako. Ang box na ito, ay iniisip ko, glide smoothly. And iniisip ko, tatapon ko ba to? Kasi naisip ko, parang lahat naman ng boxes na inipon ko, hindi ko nagamit. So, do I throw it? Naisip ko rin kasi, what if ibebenta ko yung glasses? Tapos naisip ko din, bakit ko naman ibebenta kung gagamitin ko lagi? So, yung mga addict sa box dyan, let me know. I'm gonna go down and hang out with my son. Making friends? It's called the cat. Kanina gusto mo? He's a friendly cat. Say hi. Hi. Ay, wag na. Bye-bye. Na-attach na siya dun sa cat. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Are you copying him or her? He's following us. Tama. Ang bigat mo na, anak. You wanna play? Nag-iisip akong pangalan. Meow. Hi. Alvin the kitty cat. Say hi, Alvin. Don't touch. Baka makurot mo kasi. Bye-bye.